Hello everyone, my name is Roselle. Welcome to another episode of Northfield Pro. This is episode 4. Today we are going to feature a property that is located at Ciudad Grande, Bakakeng, Phase 2. This property is 170 square meters and is 15 to 20 minutes away from the town proper. It has 4 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, 1 powder room, and carport that fits everything. Let's take a look at it. So as we enter here, you can see that there's a landscape you can definitely customize. You can put your plants there. Also, there's a space here for your other plants or pwede nyo ring pagsampayan. Before we enter the house, take note of this, that everything you see in the house is included once you buy it. So I want you also to focus on the appliances that will be seen inside. So this is how the house looks like inside. You have here your dining area. So, kasyang-kasya ang 45. Pwede nyong dagdagan yung mga upuan. As I've said earlier, this is included once you buy the house. There's also a storage area here that's seamlessly designed para match siya sa wall. And over here is your sink. At may mga shelves din na paglalagyan nyo ng mga gamit-gamit. Also here below. Now let's take a look at the outside from here. So this is bedroom number 1. Actually, you can decide to make it a maid's quarter, a storage area, whichever you would prefer. And here is where your plants could play. Once binili niyo itong bahay na to, instant plantita or plantito na kayo. Because as you see, everything is already prepared. You just have to clean it up a bit, fix it up, and customize it according to your liking. Now, I'll show you the back of the house where this dirty kitchen is located. So there are a lot of cabinets, closets, whichever you call it, for you to put your stuff in. So this is a 2-door refrigerator that's included once you buy the house, a sink, and this Eco Hybrid washing machine. I think this is also a dryer. And it's LG. It's a smart washing machine. That's included once you buy the house. Over here, ang sampayan nyo at lutuan. So again, you can decide on how you would like to decorate or customize this house. Kahit may mga gamit-gamit na siya, still it's still customizable. Alright, let's go back in the house. This is the first toilet and bath. So basically, that's the first house. Oh, by the way, there's also a television I haven't mentioned. This is the living area. So the television, the chairs, the sofa is included. So perfect siya pang pang family. Alright, let's go upstairs. second floor, here is where the three bedrooms are located. Let's take a look at the master bedroom. So this is the biggest room in the house. So the bed is, I think this is queen size, if I'm not mistaken. There's a window, two windows for ventilation as well. Also, there are built-in cabinets, closets for your clothes and stuff. And my favorite, the toilet and bath with a bathtub. The best bathroom in the house. Now let's take a look at the second room. So this can be a room for your children. Ang maganda dito, meron siyang veranda. So, maganda yung ventilation ng kwarto na to. Pwede rin kayong maglagay ng halaman dito. Or anything. May drainage din siya, so it's hindi siya hassle pag nabasa. Now, also it has an ensuite. Oh, it's just a powder room, by the way. I'm sorry for that. This is the powder room for this. Now let's move on to the last room in the house. So this room is just a room. Hi! Wala siyang CR or toilet and bath, pero this is very nice for those children who are studying. Pwede siyang study room, pwede rin siyang work area, workspace. At meron rin siyang built-in closet. Let's go back down. So basically, that is, we've covered the entire house. So again, this house is 170 square meters located at Ciudad Grande, Bakakeng, Phase 2. So if you or anyone you know is interested in buying this property, contact us on our social media accounts. Also, like and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell on our YouTube channel. Thanks so much for watching.